Hailie Deegan has grown up wanting to compete in NASCAR and win, and now she's done it.
Hey everyone at Ohiotechnicalcollege, I'm Hailie Deegan, NASCAR driver.
Done getting second. I was like, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get this going.
Be sure you guys start your engines and get enrolled now for an exciting career at Ohio Technical College. Highly skilled trades are in demand more than ever. Trust me, I know. I see it all day. So be sure you guys get dirty, stay focused, work hard, and I'll see you at the track. Go OTC.
Oh my God, this has to be the best day of my life right here. I don't think it gets any better than this. People don't understand how many days, how many hours I put into this, how much work I've done to get to this moment, and it's just amazing. The happiest day of my life. We did it! Woo!
One more question.